Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. I wanted to show you a quick tip today that I think will help you to get images that you'll want to use for print then cut, for sublimation, and maybe even for print then cut that you're going to put on a t-shirt with that heat transferable paper that I've shown how. And I'll have a link for it for you at the end of this to show you what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's imagine for a minute I wanted to find something Halloween, and what I'm looking for, and I've already typed this in actually, is Tweety Bird and Sylvester in a pumpkin. So I'm just going to click on that, and here we go, just like this. The next thing I would want to do if I'm looking for images quickly is just to come up here to Images. And then the next thing I might want to do if I want these to look cartoonish rather than a print then cut that looks real, I would maybe come up here to Tools, and generally I always teach you to go to Size and make it large, but I want to show you something today. So I'm going to go just to Type and Clip Art. Alright, so it's supposed to be them in a pumpkin, but if I see something else I like just as well, I'll use that. But that's super cute right there, isn't it? Let's see what that is. They're selling this on Amazon, it looks like. Of course, it's Amazon UK, I think. But anyway, that's the exact same one I'm looking for. So let's get out of there. I'm going to look for that image. I did see it before I changed to clip art up here. So let's see. Okay, I found the image here that I want, and if you'll notice when I hover over it, it says it's 235 by 184. That's a small image, but if I want to be able to easily find if there are other sizes of that image, all I need to do is right-click on it and say Copy Address, Copy Image Address. So I'll right-click, Copy Image Address, then I'll come up here again to where I've been looking for images. And notice since I'm looking for images, this camera is available. When I click on this camera, I'm given two options: paste image URL or upload an image, and that's from my computer. What I'm doing is I'm going to paste an image URL by right-clicking and pasting that thing that I copied a moment or two ago. I'll paste that URL in there, and then I'm going to just say search by image. And when I do that, it's going to pop up and let me know, here's the image I found. It was 235 by 184. It says that there are other sizes of this image, small, medium, and large. So I can just click on the large one, and here I get a bunch of large ones, and I can just click on one of them, and then look at the size of that. It's 1280 by 1000. So all I would need to do now is to copy this image and then come over into my silhouette, and I've already been playing with this, as you can see. Let me get rid of this thing. This is something totally different. But all I would do is then say paste, and there we have the beautiful image just like that. And it's nice and large. I could manipulate this, use it for a chip bag, use it on someone's shirt if I want to. There's just lots and lots of things that I could do with this. So let's see. Let's try this again. Let's go back to these images. Let's look over here for a second and see if we see anything that looks of interest. Oh, that is super cute. Wonder if that's already a large image. It's 576 by 480. I don't know if there'll be a bigger one or not, but I can test by right-clicking on this and saying Copy Image Address. Come up here to the camera and just right-click and paste it into here, and then search by image. Let's see. So there's just a small and a medium. I had the one that was 576 by 480. Let's see what the medium, that's probably that one. Nope, this is bigger. Well, 570, no, this is smaller actually, so this must be the small one, because the one that I had was larger than that. So there is no larger image of that. But sometimes you'll find that out, Let's check and see what this thing is. I clicked on what I thought this was really cute. Wow. It looks a little blurry to me, but if I click on it to open it, I bet it's going to clear up. Sure did. Look at that. That's cute. But let me get out of there. Let's see what else we can find just to test this a few more times. I'm in Images, and let's go to Settings, or Tools, and I'm going to make the size as icon. What that's going to do is get me little guys. Tweety bird. Okay, here we go. Here's some little Tweety birds. Let's say we're looking for something. It could be for anything. Could be for Christmas. Okay, I'm getting all kind of different birds besides Tweety in here. I think I'll just grab this one right here and see what happens. Click on, no, this one. Click on this one. Whoopsie, I didn't mean to do that. Let's go back. I don't want that. Here it is right here. It's 128 by 128. Very tiny image. It's little. But if I really like that image and couldn't live without it, I could try this. Right click on it. Say copy image address. Come up here to the camera. Right click and paste. And let's see if there are any larger ones of the same image. There's a small and a medium, according to this. So this one is 449 by 452, so that's quite a bit larger. Sometimes you just don't know for sure what you'll find, but I think it will be helpful for you to have this in your back pocket in case you're trying to find an image that you really want and you can't live without it. There's a little Bugs Bunny. I can't believe that I'll find this, but let's try it. Right click, copy image address. I have a feeling there won't be any more, but let's check. And come up here to the camera, right click and paste. Search. Yeah, there were only two different sizes, the small and the medium. There's no large for that. But look at all these cute images down here. Look at this. That's super cute. Whoopsie, where'd it go? Well, I lost it. But anyway, the other option is this. When you have the camera, again, like I said, you can upload an image from your computer. Maybe you don't remember where you got the image, and you're trying to see where did you get that image, and is there another one still available, or a larger one or anything like that. So I could just come up here, and I'm going to try this one for fun. See if it happens to find it. It's something that I got from Creative Fabrica. Nope, it says that's the only size that's available of that. Okay, let's go back again to the camera. Search by image. Wait, upload an image. Choose a file. So let's see. Choose a file. I'll choose this bow. No, I don't really want to choose that bow. I'll do that. Open. Let's see if there's anything else. Okay, there's a small and a medium size. And of course, they have visually similar images down here. So if you're looking for something, and it doesn't have to be exactly this, it'll automatically come up with ones that are similar. Let's try one more, and then I'll be done for the day. This was just a quick tip to help you to see. You can upload an image from your computer if you're looking for something, or you can grab something off the internet, the URL of it, or the web address of it. Okay, so the thing that I picked on was really a high resolution. It's this right here, and these are similar ones down here. So there's no other size for this. That's it, but here are similar ones that you can see. Okay, so that's it. I hope that this helped you today, and you'll use this little fast trick to be able to help you to find some more things when you're doing print then cut, or sublimation, or heat transfer paper/vinyl stuff. So thanks again for joining me, you guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Well, that's cute, isn't it? And be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out my links down below. I appreciate it when you use them. Thanks. Bye.